Hello card makers, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, scrapbooking and card making. Today I have some card making ideas to share with you using the Spellbinders Club kits. And be sure to look in the description area of this video where I put all of my affiliate links to the Spellbinders Club kits, and you'll also find them in my blog. And be sure to visit my blog because I hold monthly giveaways there. Enjoy the video. Alrighty, so the first card making idea that I have to share with you from the Spellbinders Club kit is an easel card that I made using the large die of the month. Now, the large die of the month comes with several parts to make just the easel, which is this part right here. However, the dies that I used to make my easel card, let me turn this one, this is upside down. The dies that I use for my easel card are these right here. This part right here is for this, and this is for these parts. Actually, 1, 2, and 3 is that I die cut for the actual easel part. And as you can see, I die cut this part right here, the tray, the brushes, the vase, and the flowers, and this part right here I decided to die cut in a gold mirror cardstock. And I've also used sentiment dies from past Spellbinders Club kits to put with love right along there. And if you need to see a tutorial on how to make an easel card, I will go ahead and link you to that in the area right underneath this video. They're very, very easy to make, and I just love making them. So it's going to fold just like so, and the stopper for the easel says follow your heart. It's just a simple stopper. This is what the card looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's a simple fold over. This card measures about 5 1/4 by 4 inches. It is very decorative and super easy to make, and I just love this. So the next card making idea that I have to share with you is another easel card. This is a telephone easel card that I make, and which is also a slider card, and I will show that to you in just a moment. I made this with the Spellbinders Amazing Paper Grace die by Becca Feeken for the month of August 2020. This is a club kit die, and it comes with several pieces. As y'all very well know, Spellbinders dies are very intricate, they're very detailed, and you get a gazillion dies for all the details that you can add to your card making projects or any other paper crafting projects. So these are all the dies included in this kit. However, the ones that I used for my card are the ones that you see right here. And so let me just give you a rundown. Obviously, this is the telephone die that I used to make the base for the card. And if y'all need a tutorial on how to do something like this, just look in the description area below of this video and you'll find how I make my shaped easel cards. And so I used this die, let me go ahead and get this off. I used this die, I used this other die. These, as you can see, they're very, very detailed. And what else? This I'll show you in a minute. This is the die that I used to make this part right here, and I'll show this to you in just a moment. And this is the die that I used to make this part right along here, and as you can see, I offset some gold mirror cardstock to make it look fancy. And I used these two for this part right here, and it's very dimensional. Let me just hold it like so that you can see how I like to use the little foam dots to make it very, very dimensional. And oh yes, this little part right here, let me show that to you. This little part is the one that goes right there. So I didn't want to make a pop-out card. I just wanted to make an easel card. What I did was, let me just show you in the back. I'm going to unfold this. What I did was I die cut a piece here to go right behind here, and then I used this piece to, and along with this piece, just like so, to actually like this with the curvature on the top. I used it like so, yeah, like this, to make this part right along here. See, it slides out and it says let's chat, and for the black lettering all I did was add just a piece of black cardstock back there. Is all I did. I turned it into a slider card, and it sits like so, and you can just push it down. Let me just like that. You can just push it down or pull up, hold it from there, just like that. Very easy to make. And the stopper over here is just a little banner that I made, and it is gold embossed with gold powder, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I just added a little bit of bling right along there. I just love it. I love the way this turned out. So let me show you the next one. Okay, so for my last set of cards, I made these using the Spellbinder Small Die of the Month, and these are all the pieces that you get. And this is the collection for August 2020. And I'm just going to hold it up like so you can see all the beautiful, intricate designs. Now, this is a very simple, very easy card to make, and it's your standard A2 size card. I just use some Prima paper, and I used some foam dots to make this dimensional. As you can see right along there, I used some trim from my stash. I die cut, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of this one. This die right along there, I die cut 5 pieces in the gold mirror cardstock, and then I took my trim and I just kind of like weaved it through right along there. And how I attach this, I just used some double-sided tape. I laid down my piece just like so, wrapped it around in the back, and I just added some flat back pearls on the ends, except for this one because you can't see it. And then I just added a little piece of bling, and this card stands just like so. Very easy to make. So let me put that one down. Now for this one, I used this die right there. What I decided to do with this card was to use, for the backdrop, I used my Becca Feeken Amazing Paper Grace die, and this is the stock number to it, and if it's still available, I will do my best to link you to this die set in the area right underneath this video. And so once again, I used some of my leftover Prima paper, and it just adhered to the back with some double-sided tape, and I made this part right here, the backdrop, dimensional. There you go, so you can see that. And what I did was I just used the small square foams, and they are located in the areas where see where these are at, and the flat back pearls, those are to hide the foams. And I just attached a sentiment from the paper collection, and that was it. It was a very simple card to make. And yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed my card making ideas from the Spellbinders Club Kids. So thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Please remember to leave me a thumbs up and a nice comment in the comment section below. And remember to visit my blog. I hold monthly giveaways there, and I will link you to my giveaway page and my blog post to this video in the description area below. Thank you so very much for watching, and enjoy the pictures. Bye!